Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Pedro and I'm back with another banger. And today, the new iOS 14 for Apple came out. Let's go. New iOS 14 update. And you guys can see, I did a little thing to make my home screen look a little sexy, you know what I'm saying? And if you guys want to know how to do it, just leave a like, subscribe, turn the notifications on, and share the video. Let's get into it. The first thing you do is go on App Store, download this right here, download this right here, and then you're good to go. The first thing you do, right when you download it, go to Safari. Let's say you take this image, you hold in, you say save photo, then you go into your camera, you go and save photos, you go in the bottom left, then you go down to save an album. I know this shit is in Danish, fuck it. This one right here, save an album. You press on it, and then you just call it something like GG. And right when you do that, you go out. You go to the app that you just downloaded. You go in. Let's delete this. But how you make a new one? Look, I got all my own ones. You make a new one to press on this one. You press on it. Press on it again. Go all the way down. Press on photo and album. Press on favorite. Go all the way down until you see the one you made. And it was GGG. You take that. Press on photos. Go back. You see the image. You press save. You then press save. You go, and then you can see the plus in top left. You press on it. Go all the way down until you see the app. Press on it. Hold in and take it out. Then you take it. Let's say for example there. You press on it. Press on it again, and then you see the one you just made. It was number 9. You press and pow. That's it. As simple as that. And you can do it like the color wise, like I did. You can do whatever you want to. But if you guys enjoyed the video, share the video, like the video, comment down below when you're done, and peace out.